Hey guys, welcome to another video of mine. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation, which is their newest foundation to be released, or it has been released. And since I have dry skin, I got the hydrating one. Okay, so if you want to know what I think about this foundation, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm very excited for today's video because I'm going to be reviewing the new Shape Tape Foundation by Tarte, and I have the hydrating one. And oh my god, I was so anticipating this release because I mean, come on, it's Shape Tape Foundation, so yeah. And my shade is light medium sand, and yeah, let's just jump right in and try this out. Okay, so as base, first I'm just gonna hydrate my face, and for that I'm gonna be taking the Valgene Labs Hydrate Serum, and I'm just gonna apply this on my face. I really love this product to just give a little bit of hydration, and yeah. So to kind of erase my pores, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. I'm just going to apply a little bit on the areas where they need the more, they need more pore filling stuff, which is around my cheeks, my nose, and my forehead. Okay, so now that I've primed my face, time to move on to the actual foundation itself, and this is how the bottle looks like. So to kind of really test the product out, on this side I'm going to be using the sponge, and on this side I'm going to be using a brush. It has the same applicator, the Don't Foot applicator, like the Shape Tape, the concealer I mean. Okay, so the side that has the brush actually looks really good. The finish is great. It does have kind of a luminosity to it. I don't know if you can see or not, but yeah. And it kind of feels tacky, which means it's hydrating. Supposedly it's hydrating. And yeah, let's do the other side with the sponge. Okay, so the side of the sponge definitely removes more product. The brush side has a fuller coverage than the sponge side, which is usually the case with any foundation, I feel like. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more on the sponge side. I don't know if you would call it full coverage, but I guess it's a fuller coverage foundation. Like, yeah, I think it is. So, I still got some pores visible. I mean, that didn't really cover anything that much, but I kind of tried to. But yeah, overall, I like how it feels on my skin. Okay, so for my concealer, I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape. And mine is in the shade Light Medium. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish the rest of my face off camera and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. So the palette I used on my eyes is the Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I just love this palette so much. The tones and everything. And so far everything's has been applied on my face very well. Like, everything's smooth, there's no patchiness, nothing at all. And yeah, I really do like how it looks, and it did not oxidize, which is a good thing, or it didn't even darken once it was dried, which is also a good thing, which means that the shade that you choose is actually gonna be exactly your shade. It's not gonna get darker, it's not a little bit lighter. I mean, it could be a little bit lighter, but it's not gonna be a little bit darker or anything. And yeah, I really do like this foundation a lot, and I feel like I will be using it more and more often than I thought I would. And yeah, even though I'm not really a foundation person, I don't really gravitate towards foundation that much, even though I do buy foundation, which doesn't really make sense to me, but that's just the way it works. And yeah, I just like to try on new foundations to see which one I'm gonna really like, and I'm glad to say that this has actually been one of them. So yeah, Great job, Tarte. I really do love this a lot and really like the way my makeup looks today. And yeah. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!